Welcome student on another video lecture. Topic is flavonoid, and in that microscopy of tea leaves or transfer section of tea leaves. When you are taking a transfer section of tea leaves and see under the microscope, these different structure are found under the microscope. First one is epidermal cells. They are made up of polygonal cells which are slightly wavy walls. Trichomes, which are thick-walled unicellular conical covering trichomes and which arise on lower surface in large number in case of young leaves. Mesophyll region, it consists of two rows of palisade parenchyma cell and are large lignified sclerites. Cluster crystal of calcium oxalate are scattered in phloem and parenchyma. Vascular bundle consists of xylem and phloem are present. The entire region being covered by slightly lignified band of pericyclic fiber. The pericyclic fibers are up to 4 fibers in width and widest region. Remaining portion it is covered with spongy parenchyma and scattered lignified sclerite. So here when you are taking a transfer section, this type of structure you will find under the microscope. These are the epidermal cells which are polygonal cell and having slightly wavy walls. Slightly wavy walls are there, and these are polygonal cells or epidermal cell. After that, two rows of palisade cell. These are the palisade cells which are present in lamina region of the leaf. It shows two rows of palisade cells with some scattered sclerite. These are the sclerites. Some scattered sclerites are there. This one is the mesophyll region which contains scattered sclerites. Now trichomes. Trichomes are thick-walled unicellular covering trichomes. You can see here this one is the unicellular trichome which is thick-walled, and unicellular which is a covering trichome, and these trichomes they are present abundant or large number on lower surface of young leaves, whereas if the leaves are older then there will be no presence of trichomes, but the young leaves on its lower surface show large or abundant number of trichomes, and these trichomes are unicellular trichomes, thick walled and covering trichomes are there. You can see here these are the trichomes on lower epidermis. After that, this one is the mesophyll tissue. That mesophyll tissue it contains sclerites. These are the sclerites. You can see here these are the sclerites. These are the sclerites which are scattered in the mesophyll region, and that mesophyll region it is made up of parenchymatous cell. Mesophyll region it is made up of parenchymatous cell and which contains scattered sclerite. Sclerites are also lignified. After that, cluster of calcium oxalate crystal, it is found in phloem region as well as in parenchymatous region. In parenchyma and phloem there are presence of cluster crystals of calcium oxalate, and there is a total lignified band or covering the entire xylem and phloem tissue. This one is the xylem and phloem tissue, the vascular bundles which are lignified, and that vascular bundles they are made up of xylem as well as phloem, and entire these vascular bundles they are covered by a lignified tissue that is known as pericyclic fiber. This one is the pericyclic fiber and which is lignified. Hence, when staining with fluoroglycinol and hydrochloric acid 1:1 ratio, then it will shows red or pink color. So here red color pericyclic fiber you can find here. That pericyclic fiber will cover the entire vascular bundle. These vascular bundles they are made up of xylem and phloem, and these are the crystals of calcium oxalate, cluster crystals of calcium oxalate. Apart from that, this one is the mesophyll region. That mesophyll region is filled with the parenchymatous cell and which contains some scattered sclerite. These are the trichomes or hairs which are on the lower surface or lower epidermal surface and which are abundant in number. These are the palisade cell. These are in two rows of palisade cell. These are present in lamina region of the leaf, and this one is the midrib region. So this is about the microscopy of tea leaves. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.